Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone is not ringing. So the first thing you should go for is to check if your iPhone is in silent mode. If your iPhone won't ring for incoming calls, you should first check if it has been left on silent mode. This rookie mistake can be made by anyone, so it is best to review and hence eliminate as a viable solution from get-go. And the second step is disable Do Not Disturb. The Do Not Disturb feature makes it so that your phone won't make any noise to prevent its user from being disturbed. An iPhone left in this mode won't ring for any incoming call, so checking it right away is necessary. Just go to your settings and scroll down and tap on focus, and here disable your Do Not Disturb option, and you are done. And the next step is turn off airplane mode. iPhones in airplane mode disconnect from all communication services including cellular networks, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. If that is the case, you won't be able to receive any calls at all. So go to your settings. You will see airplane mode, turn it off if it is already turned on, and you are done. And the next step is restart iPhone. Restarting your phone can help get rid of unresolved issues that seem to have no fix. And the next step is disconnect Bluetooth devices. An accidentally left on Bluetooth device like earbuds can be other cause of the problem. If your iPhone is left connected to a Bluetooth device, you won't be able to hear the sound of your phone ringing from its speaker. The easiest way to fix this is turn off your Bluetooth on your iPhone. So just go to your settings, tap on Bluetooth and just turn it off, and you are done. And the next step is change selected ringtone. It may be possible that the ringtone you have selected from your iPhone is not alarming enough for you to realize your phone is ringing. Changing the ringtone can help to solve this problem. Open settings, tap on sound and haptics, scroll down. So this will reveal a list of displaying the sounds and vibration patterns for your ringtone, text tone, mail and etc. Tap on ringtone and select the most striking one from the list of available sounds, and you are done. And the next step is disable call forwarding. When the call forwarding feature is turned on, phone calls are diverted to another number automatically, leaving your phone free of notifications. To check this is enabled, follow the steps. Open the settings, click on it, scroll down, and here tap on phone and then tap on call forwarding. Just turn it off and you are done. And the next step is disable silence unknown callers. Unknown callers may be automatically silenced if this feature is left enabled. So open settings, scroll down and then tap on phone, and here you have the option of silence unknown callers. Click on it and just disable this option and you are done. And the next step is update to latest iOS version. Apple is always making updates to their software to ensure any bugs experienced by their users. Keeping your iPhone up to date with the latest iOS version can be a simple but effective solution to fixing this problem. You can check for a new software update in the settings app. So just go to settings and then click on general and click on software update and install the latest version if it is available. I hope this solution will fix your problem, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.